So hey guys, the OnePlus 8 series is expected to launch next month on April 15th. OnePlus has already begun accepting application for its The Lab program, which will see selected applicants to get a review unit for the OnePlus 8 series before the launch. While we already know what the phone looks like thanks to 3D renders and live photos leaks of the OnePlus 8 Pro, a new leak has surfaced that reveals a new color variant of the flagship device. So this is said to be official press renders according to the source, and it shows green color variant of the device. This is a first for OnePlus and will likely be the favorite among buyers, but personally speaking, it reminds me of Redmi Note 8 Pro so much. The OnePlus 8 Pro swaps the motorized pop-up selfie camera for one place inside a punch hole. There is now groove at the top of the device since there is no camera module sliding out. Above the display is a slit for the earpiece and one of the two stereo speakers. OnePlus has also kept the vertical camera design from its predecessor OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7T Pro. However, there is now fourth camera sensor flanking the setup on the left. The laser focus module and redesigned LED flash are now positioned below the fourth camera sensor. The familiar OnePlus logo sits below the camera housing, but the OnePlus name at the bottom is new one, which is written in the uppercase letters. The bottom of the OnePlus 8 Pro is home to the second speaker, which is no longer a grill but two slits. The USB Type-C port is in the middle and there is a microphone right next to it. The volume rockers is on the left side of the device, while the power button and alert slider are placed on the right side of the device, which looks very smaller in comparison of OnePlus 7 Pro or 7T Pro. Also, some information coming from a reliable tipster, Ishan Agarwal. He shared the spec sheet of the upcoming OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. According to him, the OnePlus 8 will be featuring 6.55-inch Full HD Plus resolution display supporting Super AMOLED and 90Hz of refresh rate. It will be flaunting a flat screen with a punch hole design, and in terms of cameras, then OnePlus 8 will be featuring triple camera setup with 48 megapixel primary sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a 2 megapixel of depth or macro lens. It will also feature a 16 megapixel sensor for shooting selfies like its predecessor OnePlus 7 Pro or 7T Pro. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Silicon, which will have 5G connectivity out of the box. The device is also going to have 4300 mAh battery capacity, which will support 30-watt wireless WAP charging, and there will be no wireless charging in the device. So that is it for today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 8 series, and also I'll see you in my next video.